A group of United States legislators has urged the Biden administration to publicly reject Israel's labeling of 6 Palestinian human rights organizations as terrorist groups, in the latest international push against the Israeli decision. In a letter addressed to U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken and Director of National Intelligence on Monday, 21 members of Congress decried the absence of available evidence backing the Israeli allegations against the Palestinian organizations. Repressive tactics such as criminalizing organizations must not be used to suppress or deny the right to freedom of association, or to quash political dissent, or limit the peaceful activities of civil society. The letter, piloted by Progressive Congresswoman Ayanna Pressley, reads: Israel blacklisted the 6 leading Palestinian human rights and civil society organizations in October 2021 over alleged links to the Popular Front for the Liberation of Palestine political faction. These groups work directly with Palestinian women and girls, children, low-income families, prisoners, and civil society activists, providing direct services and monitoring human rights abuses by both Israeli and Palestinian authorities, the U.S. legislators said on Monday.